there, my name's Luke the Cooking Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper, and we've got a guest host today, Little E. Now we're going to be making Easton some mac and cheese with hot dogs today. Now first we're going to start with the ingredients and our tools. We've got 3 different kinds of cheeses here. We have a couple of spices, a spatula, some tongs, hot dogs, microwave pasta, some cashew milk or any other kind of milk.
Just regular milk.
And some scissors, and then a skillet. And now today we are using 6 packets of microwave pasta, but this recipe can be cut down to either 2 packets or 4 packets, and you'll just microwave them according to the package directions. Now the first step in getting these hot dogs going is you're just gonna, what are these? Yeah, you're gonna pop them out. So we're just gonna slice some up into this bowl. And for this recipe, we are only going to use 6.
Just use all of them.
Now Easton's just dumping in those hot dogs so that we can start cooking them. And if a couple of them stick in there, that's okay.
I just don't eat it.
Yeah. And then you're just gonna put these on about a medium heat, and they're already pre-cooked, so you can just heat them up to your preference while the pasta is finishing in the microwave. And you can just continue to cook these, and ours are starting to get a little brown, so we're gonna go ahead and take them off the heat. Now next step in this recipe is making some cheese sauce. Now Easton's messing with our cameraman back there.
Alright.
But first, you're just gonna dump all the cheese and the milk into the pan. Yeah, come look at our cheese sauce. Come here. Hey Easton, how does this sauce look for you?
Super awesome.
Yeah, can you dump in the spices for me?
It has some.
And now you just gotta dump in the microwaved pasta. And then you just gotta stir in that creamy cheese sauce. And it looks like a lot of pasta at first, but once you get it mixed up, it'll be perfect. So now we've just gotta take our hot dogs and our mac and cheese out to our table. Easton is very excited to eat. And there is our finished mac and cheese. Now you're just gonna put your mac and cheese on your plate, and then you can top with however many hot dogs you want. We'd love it if you could try out this recipe. If you do, give us a like, comment, and subscribe. We hope that you can get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do.